In this session, let us learn about Java user input. See, the scanner class is used to get user input and it is found in the java.util packages. To use the scanner class, create an object of the class and use any of the available methods found in the scanner class documentation in our example. We will use the nextLine method, which is used to read strings. See here, while we write and execute this code, import the scanner class. See, enter username and press enter. See here, the enter username was printed. If you don't know what a package is, follow our Java package tutorial. In the example above, we used the nextLine method, which is used to read strings. To read other types, look at the table below. See here, method and description. Next Boolean string, read to Boolean value from the user. Next byte method reads a byte value from the user. Next double method reads a double value from the user. Next float method reads a float value from the user. Next int method reads a int value from the user. Next line method reads a string value from the user. Next long method reads a long value from the user. Next short method reads a short value from the user. In the example below, we use different methods to read data of various types. See here, we use different types: string input, numerical input, output input by user. See, name plus name, age plus age, salary plus salary. See, while we write and execute this code, the result returns is enter name, age and salary. Note, if you enter wrong input, example text in numerical input, you will generate an exception or error message like input mismatch exception. You can know more about exceptions and how to handle errors in the exceptions chapter. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 36, Java user input. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java date and time.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.